Just a small cut. So far, nothing special. Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I'm gonna show you 3 easiest ways to cut this piece of glass but without using any glass cutter. Let's get right into it. The first method is cutting this glass using a spark plug. Usually every spark plug has this ceramic housing right here, and this ceramic housing is made from very strong and durable ceramic. We will break this spark plug into little pieces. Take one ceramic piece.
This sharp edge right here, this is what we need. And now just break this glass into 2 pieces. Nice.
The second method is to use a small sharp screwdriver if you have one. Now I know it seems weird, but let me show you.
The goal right here is to make this cutting line with the screwdriver as deep as possible, but on both sides of this glass. We have a small line there, and now let's try to mark it on the other side also. Once we have marked our line, we will use soldering iron and heat up one side of the glass. As we are heating up this one side, this cutting line will spread itself through the glass. So just make sure you heat up this glass for 1 minute or maybe so. If it wiggles a little bit left to the right, that is not a problem. Alright, and now, while it's still hot, take it, turn it around, and break it. Pretty cool, right?
And the third method, and my favorite, is to use a high carbon drill bit as your cutting tool.
Just pull one straight line like this. Of course, repeat it 3 or 4 times just to make sure you have a good line there. There you have it. Pretty nice. Move to the edge. And just like in previous ones, break it. Pretty cool, right?
There you have it guys, 3 very simple and easy ways to cut the glass without any advanced tools. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.